Welcome to ASEAN MedTech Insights. Singapore has just made a significant move that will shape the future of digital health across the region. Last week, the Health Sciences Authority, or HSA, released its updated regulatory guidelines for AI-powered medical devices. This move is designed to create a clearer path for innovation, but it also introduces complex new challenges for medtech companies. For years, developers of software as a medical device, or SaND, have navigated a gray area. With this new framework, the HSA has provided a more structured risk classification and a clearer roadmap for product registration. For example, a startup developing an AI algorithm to detect early-stage skin cancer from images now has a specific checklist of validation and documentation requirements to follow. This clarity is expected to attract more investment and talent to Singapore's already booming medtech sector. However, the guidelines go far beyond simple registration. They place a heavy emphasis on the entire product lifecycle. This is where the real challenge begins. The HSA now requires robust post-market surveillance plans specifically for AI models. This means companies must continuously monitor their algorithms' real-world performance and manage any model drift as it processes more data. This isn't a one-time approval. It is an ongoing commitment. Furthermore, the new rules demand stringent cybersecurity measures to protect patient data and ensure the integrity of the device. For a company with an AI diagnostic tool, this means proving the software is resilient against cyber attacks, which adds another layer of validation and cost. Consider the broader implications for ASEAN. Singapore often sets the regulatory benchmark for its neighbors. We can expect countries like Malaysia and Thailand to observe this rollout closely and potentially adopt similar frameworks. This could lead to a more harmonized regional standard, but in the short term, it creates a complex patchwork of regulations. A device approved in Singapore might still face a completely different set of requirements in another ASEAN market. This development is a double-edged sword. It offers the clarity the industry has been asking for, but it also raises the bar for compliance, demanding deeper expertise in cybersecurity, data privacy, and post-market vigilance. Navigating this landscape requires more than just a great product. It demands a sophisticated regulatory strategy. For companies looking to understand and navigate these complex regulatory landscapes in Singapore and beyond, you can email or visit Chen-Global.